invite you to begin a journey with me that will be both through my website, which is barefootblogger.com, and there's a tab that's for moving to France. French Footsteps is also on Facebook, if you're a Facebook follower, and that's where we can have a conversation. We're going to be having more conversations with people that friends of mine, people that I know who have moved to France, who want to share their stories. There's some of those stories already on the website that you can go and look at. There'll be more of those. And then we're going to begin doing some podcast or web video casts that you can see us in person or just listen to us at night when you go to sleep, and get more information. I want to invite you to ask questions, to participate when we put things out that you can join on a Zoom call. This is an interactive, even if it's just type me an email, type a note on French Footsteps, and let's start this conversation and let me know how I can help you. And I look forward to presenting these people and information to you, and we're going to have a lot of fun. There's a lot of good, funny stories that go with all of our stories, with all of our journeys to France. But the most importantly, there's a lot of really good information that will hopefully help you make a really big decision in your life. So know that I'm here for you. I am looking forward to getting to know you and to helping you on this path. So thank you very much.